Probation, is there anything else she needs? Yes, if she completes the parenting class.
Here we go. State of Texas versus Cordelia Childress. Now pay attention, this is where the legal gears start turning. The judge is making sure every I is dotted and every T is crossed, discovery reviewed, documents signed, and rights explained. This is standard, but it's also the foundation that keeps the justice system airtight.
3, State of Texas versus Cordelia Childress. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Tracy Bearhead, Your Honor.
For the defense?
John Young?
And are you Ms. Childress?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Childress, I'm showing you what's entitled application for probation. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, we are, Your Honor.
Ms. Childress, I'm showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendant's waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of felon in possession of a firearm? That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, Your Honor. This was a mistake. She trusted somebody else to give her a bag, and the bag happened to have a gun in it. She has accepted the plea bargain to put this behind her rather than taking a chance at trial.
Who did you trust? What is their name?
My brother.
Ah. Do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am. I have a 3-year-old.
And where's the 3-year-old?
She's with family members right now.
What family members?
Her grandmother, paternal grandmother.
Have you been in a part of her life at all?
Boom. This is the charge that changes everything, felon in possession of a firearm. Notice how the judge carefully spells out the punishment range, 2 to 10 years, up to $10,000 fine. This isn't just courtroom formality, it's about making sure the defendant can later say, I didn't know the stakes. Transparency in sentencing is the law's safety net.
Not much.
So are you planning, there's someone looking through the glass, like the song, How Much Is That Doggy in the Window or something?
Not associated with us, Your Honor.
Okay. So are you employed?
I was, yes, ma'am.
Doing what?
I work for Olive Garden, ma'am.
All right, Olive Garden.
Yes, ma'am.
Their calamari is not as good as it used to be.
They changed the batter.
All right, so you can talk to them about that.
Yes, ma'am.
Landry has got the best calamari.
They do?
They
Okay.
do, down on the river.
All right. You know, Olive Garden is under the umbrella with Red Lobster.
Yes, it's
Yeah.
a dirty restaurant.
Yep. And so Olive Garden, your mushrooms would be so much better if you would stuff them with the shrimp like they do at Red Lobster. I'm just throwing that out there.
I'll make sure and let my manager.
But you all do have the best salad dressing.
Yes.
So, but don't put enough tomatoes in your salad. I'm just, or cucumbers. I don't know why they don't do
It's
that.
like the cherries in the fruit salad.
Yeah.
You can always
Got a
request
hook
more.
for 'em.
Okay, I'm gonna do that. You all, I don't know what's the best, their breadsticks or the cheddar biscuits. I'm just saying that because you
Cheddar
work there. We know it's the cheddar
The
biscuit.
cheddar biscuits are,
we know.
are just the best thing that the Red Lobster's got.
So, do you have a place to live?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And are you going to go back and try to get work at Olive Garden?
Yes, ma'am. I'm 14 in Ingram.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do we have any drug issues with you?
No, ma'am.
Why were you at this hotel?
My brother called me.
All right. Your story sounds a little fishy to me. But what I'm going to tell you is when you're on probation out of this court, we take it very seriously.
Yes, ma'am.
So you're going to have to complete everything and they are going to drug test you. Okay. So how long have you been in custody?
Since November.
Oh, wow.
I've
Why
only
hasn't you
been,
been-
I've only been involved for about a month here.
Well, I will tell you, this case is from 2023. At least that's the case number on the file. So we don't have people in this court sitting at jail that long. So once it came to my attention, here we are.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, there's going to be a $1,500 fine that'll be probated. 4 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 4 years. 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to ask for parenting classes
Yes, ma'am.
with raindrops to rainbows. We'll try it.
Oh, the family twist. She says the gun came from a bag her brother gave her. But here's the kicker. Legally, I didn't know doesn't usually fly when you're already a felon. This is where personal loyalty clashes with hard legal reality. What would you do? Protect family or protect yourself?
There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. So what that means is with your 3-year-old, if you are visiting her, you cannot have the grandmother leave and you just stay there by yourself. Counsel, I'll consider changing that once she's done some parenting classes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, ma'am.
There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person,
Yes, ma'am.
regular UAs. I'm going to want field visits 1 time per month for 3 months and probation thereafter as probation deems necessary. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Probation, is there anything else she needs? Yes, if she completes the parenting class, then the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. All right. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record. How old are you?
I'm 35 now.
All right, you're 35. You need to know, because you're on paper, you cannot be accepting items from people, even family members, and not knowing what it is. All right. And the other thing, could you tell Olive Garden that when you ask for gnocchi soup, there needs to be some gnocchi in the gnocchi. Otherwise, you're just giving me some broth with chicken bits in it.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Deputy Laura, everybody knows I'm telling the truth about the gnocchi. All right, John Marino, the court is calling to.
Okay, pause for flavor. Judges are humans too, and sometimes courtroom tension breaks with humor or even food talk. While it feels lighthearted, don't miss the strategy here. The judge is also gauging the defendant's personality and honesty in casual moments. It's courtroom psychology at play.
2023 CR 2284, State of Texas versus Emmanuel Ramirez Lara. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state.
Defense.
Leslie Slavnovich for the defense.
Are you Mr. Lara?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Going to show you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Lara, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers of Affidavit and of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of burglary of a habitation force? That's a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Here.
All right, is there anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Hang on.
Mr. Laura, how old are you?
23.
All right, why are you breaking into apartments and using your fist to break glass?
I was high on a drug, and I made a mistake, and I'm meant to accept my mistakes
How long have you been using drugs?
since I was 12.
And what's your drug of choice?
Weed and meth,
Okay, how often are you using meth?
every once in a while, not every day though. I smoke weed every day though.
All right. What's his criminal history?
He has a misdemeanor, I think. Yes, Judge. The only criminal history in Bear County is this offense and the misdemeanor criminal history, Judge.
All right, does he has out of county criminal history or out of state? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
What is it?
2 burglaries.
All right. All right, you're gonna have to do better, you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And thank you for being honest with me about your past, okay?
Yes,
Because you could have said, oh, I don't have anything. So I appreciate your honesty.
This is the heart of probation. It's not a free pass, it's a second chance on a leash. The judge is crystal clear. Slip up with drugs, employment, or supervision, and those suspended years can snap back into full prison time. This is the justice system's way of saying, your future is in your hands.
thank you.
All right, so I'm gonna sentence you to 2 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine, time and money run concurrent. Taking into consideration County Court Cause number 699954. If you want, I can recommend the therapeutic community that will sort of try to help you with your drug issues. Whether or not you're in the program is completely up to them. I can't force them to put you in the program, but you're gonna have to ask for it. Would you like that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm gonna request the therapeutic community. And if for some reason they don't let you into the program, make sure that you still get help. There are plenty of programs here in San Antonio that are free for people who have drug issues.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, you may end up getting a bad batch, which means you may overdose and die, or you're gonna end up in and out of prison and you're gonna look up and half of your life is gonna be gone. You're still young. There's still plenty of things you can do to turn your life around.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
besides, when you use drugs every day, you're really damaging your.
This is a raw reality check. The judge doesn't just hand down prison time, she lays out the brutal truth: overdose, wasted youth, or endless incarceration. And notice the shift: she's not just punishing, she's mentoring, practically begging him to change. This is where courtroom drama becomes life coaching in real time.
Your body. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal.
Yes, ma'am.
And because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Do you have any children?
I'm real pregnant right now.
All right, so here's the thing. You're gonna have to get your life in order, because I don't know if your girlfriend, is she using drugs too?
No, ma'am.
All right. If you want to be the type of parent that your child can look up to, you're gonna have to get off the drugs. You're gonna have to get a job and be somebody that they can be proud of. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So you're gonna have to do better. And if you don't want to do better or you can't do better, then do not be in your child's life, because you'll be disappointing them. And that hurts when a parent tells a child they're going to change and then they don't.
But I know how it feels to lose a child because I lost my 2-year-old.
All right. So you got to do better. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you. Okay.